Here's where you can view all battery activity, basically view all the apps that are using your battery life to get an idea of which one is draining your battery life and which one is not. This is a Galaxy A55 5G phone, and here's where you can go to do this. To view the battery activity, use the quick panel access, tap on the settings icon here, then you'll be taken to your main settings. Now go down until you see battery. Once in the battery section here, you're going to see all these different options for your battery. Go down a little bit here until you see the battery usage, where the percentage is, and you want to select view details. From here now, you'll get a lot more detailed view as to the time of the day that the battery has been used. Then go down and keep going down until you see the apps now. Here is where you can see a list of all the apps on your phone that's being used in terms of using battery life. So you can see my One UI is using 1.6, and of course yours is going to be different as your phone will be used more than mine here, and you can see which apps are draining more battery life. And because you can now identify which app is draining the battery life here, you can go into the app itself, get a better view of it, and then you can also enable the background usage limits here. And you can also put it to sleep or put it to deep sleep if that app in particular is draining your battery life, okay? And you can come back and turn this off later on, like and sub.